What would you give for knowledge? Not money, not power, but truth itself. In Norse mythology, there was a god who gave up his own eye just to understand the universe. His name was Odin. Odin wasn't just a god of war. He was something far more dangerous. A seeker, obsessed with wisdom, with secrets, with the hidden forces that shaped reality itself. While other gods sought power, Odin wanted understanding. At the roots of the world tree, Yggdrasil, there existed a well, the Mimir's well. Its waters held something no weapon could give: knowledge. Not simple answers, but deep, cosmic understanding. And guarding that well was the being known as Mimir. Odin came seeking a drink, but wisdom had a price. Mimir didn't ask for gold, didn't ask for power. He asked for something far more personal: an eye. Odin didn't hesitate. He reached into the well and sacrificed one of his own eyes, forever losing half his sight to gain something far greater: the ability to see what others could not. Think about that. Odin didn't gain knowledge for free. He paid for it, with pain, with loss, with something he could never take back. And that idea still exists today. Every skill you learn, every truth you discover costs you something: time, comfort, certainty. Odin's sacrifice wasn't just physical, it was symbolic. To gain wisdom, you must lose something: your old beliefs, your illusions, your easy answers. In a way, Odin didn't just lose an eye, he gave up the ability to see the world simply, and chose to see it truthfully instead. But the story doesn't end there. Odin's hunger for knowledge never stopped. He sacrificed himself again, this time hanging from Yggdrasil for 9 nights. No food, no water, just suffering, in exchange for the secrets of the runes. Because for Odin, knowledge wasn't optional, it was everything. Odin wasn't the strongest god. He was the one who understood the cost of wisdom and paid it fully. So the next time you search for answers, remember this: the most valuable knowledge in life is never free. And sometimes, to truly see the world, you have to lose a part of yourself. What would you give for knowledge?